However, I feel like this one is a little bit easier, especially if you are a beginner, simply because I feel like when you use a smaller pan, sugar wax tends to bubble when the temperature gets hotter. So if you are using like a smaller container, it can possibly overflow, even if you step away for a quick second. And this is the most important tool that you'll need to successfully make your sugar wax. There are methods out there where they don't use a thermometer, but if you are a beginner, in my opinion, I feel like it's just easier to use a thermometer. You don't want to have to go through trial and error of having to like throw away product. The way that you can make it without the thermometer is just by kind of like eyeballing it and looking at the color, the texture. But in my opinion, if you are a beginner, it's just a little bit easier just to use a thermometer. And then you want to use spatulas that are of a good size. You don't want it to be too small. You want to give yourself enough, room to work with when you are stirring your sugar wax. I prefer the lemon juice in the bottle just to save time. I feel like trying to get the juice out of the lemons can be time consuming.